I am extracting the bones.
I am cleaning the bones.
I am sorting the bones.
I am packing the bones. Loading the bones. I am unloading the bones. I am inspecting the bones.
I am washing the bones.
I am rinsing the bones.
I am drying the bones.
I am sorting the bones. I am checking the bones. I am conveying the bones. I am loading the bones. I am crushing the bones. I am grinding the crushed bones.
I am sieving the ground bones.
I am conveying the ground bones. I am loading the ground bones. I am heating the ground bones. I am stirring the ground bones. I am separating the cooked bones. I am separating the cooked bones. I am draining the tallow. I am filtering the tallow. I am centrifuging the filtered tallow. I am cooling the purified tallow. I am transferring the cooled tallow. I am testing the tallow.
I am melting the tallow.
I am conveying the melted tallow. I am batching the melted tallow.
I am adding lye to the tallow mixture.
I am heating the tallow mixture.
I am adding salt to the soap curd.
I am separating the grained soap. I am draining the soap layer. I am washing the soap. I am rinsing the washed soap. I am chipping the dried soap. I am conveying the soap chips. I am adding color to the mixed soap. I am infusing fragrance into the colored soap. I am milling the fragranced soap. I am refining the milled soap. I am plotting the refined soap. I am forming the extruded soap. I am cooling the soap billets. I am conveying the cooled billets. I am cutting the soap billets.
I am trimming the cut soap.
I am stamping the trimmed soap.
I am inspecting the stamped soap.
I am placing the inspected soap.
I am curing the soap. I am removing the cured soap. I am inspecting the cured soap. I am inspecting the cured soap. I am conveying the soap bars.
I am wrapping the soap bars.
I am labeling the wrapped soap.
I am boxing the labeled soap.
I am sealing the boxed soap.
I am checking the sealed boxes.
I am conveying the boxes. I am conveying the boxes.
I am wrapping the palletized soap.
I am labeling the wrapped pallets. Wrapped pallets. I am transferring the labeled pallets. I am placing the pallets. I am dispatching the setup pallets.